Today, I'll show you how to insert an email link in Google Docs. By the end of this video, you'll be able to turn any piece of text into a clickable link that opens a new email message in your viewer's default email app. This is especially useful if you're creating documents like resumes, brochures, instructions, or forms where you want people to contact you or someone else with a single click. First, open Google Docs in your browser and load the document where you want to add the email link. You can use an existing document or start a new blank one. Make sure you're signed in and that you have editing access to the file, otherwise you won't be able to make changes. Take a moment to scroll to the part of the document where the email link should go so you're focused on the right spot. Next, decide what you want the clickable text to be. This could be a name, a phrase like "contact us," or even the email address itself. Type that text into your document if it's not already there. Once the text is in place, use your mouse to highlight it. Click at the start of the text, hold down the mouse button, and drag across to the end. When you release the button, the text should be selected, usually with a blue or grey background indicating it's highlighted. If you accidentally select too much or too little, just click once to reset and try highlighting again. With your text highlighted, you're ready to add the link. At the top of the screen, look for the menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Link. This will open the link dialog box where you can type or paste what you want the link to point to. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can skip the menu entirely by pressing Ctrl and K at the same time on Windows or Chrome OS, or Command and K on a Mac. This does exactly the same thing as using Insert, then Link, and it's a bit faster once you get used to it. In the link box that appears, instead of pasting a website address, you're going to type a special format that tells Google Docs this is an email link. Type mail to, followed immediately by the email address with no spaces. For example, mail to someone@example.com. The key part here is the word mail to followed by a colon, then the email address. Without the mail to part, Docs will treat it like a regular web page link instead of opening an email. Before you apply the link, double check that the email address is spelled correctly and that there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. A small typo can cause the link not to work properly. Once everything looks good, click Apply in the dialog box. Your highlighted text will now turn into a clickable link, usually underlined and in a different color. To test it, hover your mouse over the text and click it. Your computer should open a new email draft in your default email program with the To field already filled in. That's all you need to insert an email link in Google Docs. Open your document, highlight the text, use Insert and then Link or the keyboard shortcut, type Mail to with the email address, and click Apply.